in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and then here click to the sounds and vibration section. As can you see here, we got the change the vibration settings. Also we can change the sound mode to the vibration mode or to the silent mode. Also here we got the media, ringtone, notifications and alarms volume panels. Here we can change the volume button function from the media volume to the ringtone volume. Also we can enable or disable the don't disturb mode. Here we can change the ringtone sound, the message sound, and also the notification sound. Here we get also more sound settings. We can by just click once on each of the switchers to enable or disable the dial buttons, the screen lock sound, screenshot sound, the deletion sound, and the touch sounds. Also here we can enable or disable the vibration on touch. And also here we got the other settings. We can just change the recorder, the sound, and we can turn on or turn off the monitoring of our recording here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.